Hello and welcome back to the Tropolink application video series. In this second video, we guide you through the process of computing connectivity between geographic sites using sets of air mass trajectories, and we show how to explore the resulting connectivity matrix and the associated tropospheric network. Let's start with the Tropolink dashboard. Among the listed studies, we selected the one titled Mediterranean West, where trajectory computations have already been performed. You can inspect the details of the study, including the dates and locations involved, as well as the parameters used for the high-split simulation. In this case, forward trajectories lasting 36 hours were calculated for 119 dates and 12 locations spread throughout the Western Mediterranean region. At the top right of the interface, you will notice the Connectivity tab, which is the main focus of this video. Another tab, Python Analysis, provides access to a Jupyter notebook that will later allow us to explore the connectivity outputs generated by Tropolink. To begin a connectivity analysis, you enter the Connectivity tab and select a trajectory study that has already been completed, in our case the Mediterranean West study. You are then prompted to choose the type of buffer that will be used to compute connectivity between sites. These buffer zones help determine whether air mass trajectories starting from or arriving at a specific location pass through the vicinity of another. Tropolink offers two buffer types. One is the circular buffer, also referred to as spherical cap, defined by a fixed radius in kilometers. The other is a geographic buffer, which defines sectors using equal angular spans in latitude and longitude, expressed in degrees. In this example, we choose a circular buffer with a radius of 40 kilometers and click the Run button to start the computation. The system returns you to your dashboard, where the status of the connectivity calculation appears as in progress. Once the calculation is complete, the status updates to succeeded, and you can then access a dedicated results page. This page displays the geographic sites and dates involved, the parameters used for the computation. It also allows you to download the full specification of the connectivity calculation in JSON format. In addition to the specification file, you can download the computed connectivity data in the multiple formats, including JSON, GeoJSON, and CSV table. Here we visualize the table of connectivity values in a CSV file. Tropolink lets you perform several connectivity calculations for the same trajectory study. You can change the buffer type or the buffer radius. You can select subsets of locations or dates. You can also upload a JSON specification file like the one previously downloaded. Here, we upload a modified file specifying a larger buffer radius of 100 kilometers and restricting the analysis to dates in January 2025. After uploading the modified file, we simply click Run to initiate a new calculation. To explore the connectivity results, Tropolink provides integrated tools through Jupyter notebooks compatible with both Python and R. Let's try the Python notebook. Run the code cells in sequence. In the second code cell, choose the study you wish to analyze. After visualizing the air mass trajectories, as shown in the video dedicated to trajectory calculation, you reach a section focused on connectivity. You start by selecting the specific connectivity computation to explore. Subsequent cells display the connectivity matrix, a histogram of connectivity values, and a visualization of their geographic network. You can adjust the minimum connectivity threshold to display only the strongest links in the network. Finally, you can generate a scatter plot showing the relationship between connectivity values and geodesic distances between geographic sites. You can select the other connectivity calculation that we performed and run the subsequent cells to make a comparison. If at any point you are uncertain about what to enter in the form fields, pop-up windows provide helpful explanations. You can also consult the Help tab, which provides documentation and references on high-split and Tropolink, as well as a short FAQ. Thank you for your attention. We hope this video has helped you to better understand how to compute connectivity and how to generate tropospheric networks using Tropolink. In the next video, we will walk through a real-world case study dealing with the long-distance, windborne migration of an insect species. See you then!